thought we'd start out by showing you what it is that we travel in and what we use to pull it. We just recently traded for this late model Ram 2500 Laramie Longhorn with the 6.7 diesel in it. So we've got plenty of pulling power to pull the camper, which a dry weight on it was, I believe, around 9,200 pounds. Loaded down, we're significantly heavier than that. Our travel trailer is a bumper pull, and it is a Heartland Pioneer. It's 34 foot long. It has two doors on it. The big awning with the lights underneath it. It's got LED lights under it. It's got an outdoor speaker system for the Bluetooth stereo system that's inside. And one of the things we loved about it was having the extra door which leads straight into the bathroom, as well as the outdoor kitchen area with the extra fridge. The fridge has been extremely handy, and we basically just keep our drinks inside of it most of the time. One of the best purchases that we made was we bought a portable ice maker. This thing is awesome. We make a lot of tea. Instead of drinking soda and water all the time, we drink a lot of tea, so it's nice being able to have ice anytime that you want it. The camper also has an outdoor, what they called an outdoor little shower area. It's probably still full of sand from our beach trip last week. But you do have hot water, cold water out here that you can rinse off, and I use it mainly for the dogs. We do have two slide outs. And here's our specs. It does have a big pass-through storage area on the front. One of the first things that we did was we purchased a weight distribution hitch in the bars, and then we also bought an anti-sway bar that we put on it for the other truck that we were pulling with, and we will definitely use it on this truck as well. It does have the power jack on it, but the stabilizers you hand crank yourself, but we just keep a drill with us and the correct bit on it, and he just puts them on there and it just zips them up and down. We carry a lot of stuff with us whenever we are traveling and it's just the two of us. I like to take my kayak with me. And whenever we know we're going to be close to the ocean. We also have a generator that we take whenever we boondock. It's a 4,000 cranking amp, so it's plenty big to run the AC. We don't have any problems with it. We always carry extra propane with us, a gas can, our great big portable sewer tote for whenever we're at places that don't have full hookups. And the rest of all that junk is all of my crab cages and fishing gear. This is a 2021 Heartland Pioneer. While it's not the best built in the world, it's not the worst either, and it suits us just fine. So if you're looking for something that's going to have plenty of room and you're doing it on a budget, this is definitely one to consider. Stay tuned for more.